Let me cut across to the big update there. DK Shiv Kumar, who's spoken exclusively to India today, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister, has clarified on our channel that he's never met with the whistleblower BJP Neta. He has never met the driver, neither has he met the whistleblower BJP Neta. He has no clue about these sex tapes. Here's what he said.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಹೇಳೋರೆ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ನಾರಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಗೌರವ ಇದೆ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ತಾಯಂದಿರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಂತ್ವನ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಫಸ್ಟು ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಜನತಾ ದಳದವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ನಾಯಕ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಷ್ಟು ಏನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೌದು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿ.
Let me quickly cut across to Sagai Raj joining us live for more on that. Sagai, DK Shiv Kumar's first reaction. He already spoke to India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai, reiterating the same. He says now that he's never met the BJP whistleblower who claims that the DK brothers have had that footage much in advance. And he's neither met the driver of Prajwal Revanna, nor does he know anything about these sex tapes months earlier, as was alleged. Give us a little more on the Congress's response to this. The BJP accusing the Congress of inaction, knowing very well that these were the videos that were doing the rounds. Sagai, if you're with us.
This particular videos of Prajwal Revanna, and they have also questioned the timing of these particular videos which was being released just before the elections in Hassan or across the state of Karnataka. So now he has given a clarification saying that he wasn't aware about this, and even their spokesperson have said that they had met Krishti Kumaraswamy much before they could even meet the BJP leaders. He never met Devaraja Gowda. Devaraja Gowda only met Kumaraswamy and others, and he has no role in it. And if he wants, he has a different style of doing all this kind of politics, but he has not done when it comes to this particular case.
All right, the Congress has right from the start denied it. But how far is that true that the DK brothers did not know about these sex videos? In fact, the allegations have surfaced a year ago itself, and there's been a lot of buzz and talk around it. But did they really know about the gravity and intensity about the allegations on Prajwal?